Hello, we are doing a video here for Module 5, Lesson 3. It begins number 1, decompose each fraction. Decompose means break apart. Break apart. Each fraction modeled by a tape diagram as a sum of unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions with 1 on the top. Write the equivalent multiplication sentence. The first one's been done for you. So here is the unit fractions right here. And here's your multiplication sentence. So we just need to write those two sentences for each picture. So number 1, part B. We've got, it's saying this whole thing is 1, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these guys are fifths. 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 2/5. The multiplication problem for this would be 1/5 times 2 equals 2/5. Pretty simple. Okay, let's go on to C. Looks like my whole thing here again is 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, so these are all 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals a total of 5/6. 1/6 times 5 equals 5/6. D. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this one. So we've got 1/8. These are again our unit fractions. 1/8 plus 1/8 unit means 1 in the numerator. And the last one, 1/8. I think that is a total of 6 of those 8ths, which means we need 6 times 1/8 equals 6/8. Notice I reversed from the last one up here. I said 1/6 times 5. Here I have the whole number first. Doesn't matter. It's just like any other multiplication problem. Okay, on to E. There are 1, 2, 3 jumps to make 1, so these are thirds. Plus 1/3 plus 1 more third equals 4 thirds, which is equal to 1 and 1/3. Our multiplication sentence is 1/3 times 4 of them equals 4 thirds, or 1 and 1/3. Remember, improper fraction, and this is a mixed number. Let's move on. Number 2. Write the following fractions greater than 1 as the sum of 2 products. So 2 products means we're going to multiply. So we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got thirds. So that first part is 3 times 1/3. And we're doing the sum of, so we're adding. Now I've got 2 more jumps. 3 times 1/3 plus 2 times 1/3 equals a total of 5/3, which equals 1 and 2/3. Next one down, we've got 1, 2, 3 fourths. 4 fourths makes 1. So I've got 4 times 1/4 plus 1, 2 more fourths, which totals 6 fourths, which is equal to 1 and 2 fourths. Okay, moving on to number 3. We are going to draw our own tape diagram this time and record the given fractions decomposition into unit fractions as a multiplication sentence. Okay, so let's start with our tape diagram. Remember, the key to making good tape diagrams is to not finish a rectangle until you've made all your spaces. So I need fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are only shading 4 of the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are writing a multiplication sentence to describe these unit fractions. So I've got all these 1/5. Looks like I've got 4 of these 1/5. So 4 times 1/5 equals 4/5. Simple as that. B, C, D, and E, we are doing the same thing. We are just drawing our tape diagram. This one looks like eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need some more room. 6, 7, 8. I'm shading in 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm writing the multiplication sentence. The unit fractions were 1/8, and I've got 5 of them. 5 times 1/8 is 5/8. Okay. C, 7/9. This time we've got ninths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shading in 7. 1. Whoops, that's the eraser. Hold on, let me fix what I've messed up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The unit fraction here is 1/9 because there are 9 of them, or 9 sections. Only 7 of them get shaded. That is why it's times 7. So 7/9 is shaded. And now we have 7/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to make 1. But I'm not done yet. I need 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another 1. 4/4 makes 1. I am shading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My unit fraction is 1/4. I'm doing 7 of them, which makes 7/4, which, by the way, is the same as 1 3/4. Last one, 7/6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm shading how many? Oh, I need another one because I'm shading 7 of the 6. So I'm going to go ahead and, this is 1. 6/6 is 1. I'm going to make another 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also 1. Now the shading. I'm shading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My unit fraction is 1/6. 1/6. I have 7 of them. That equals 7/6, which also equals 1 whole and 1 more 1/6. There you have it. There is Module 3, Lesson 3. Keep working on these every day.